Good morning, students. This is Divya ma'am from Academic Heights Public School, and today we are going to do two topics in our GK session. Okay, so let's start with the first one, that is animals myths busted. Okay, so there are so many myths which go around. So here we are going to discuss few of them and find out if those are true or not. Okay. Are these popular sayings about animals true? Read to find out. Camels store water in their humps. A camel can survive for several days without water, not because of any water stored in its hump, but because its body is adapted to fight extreme dehydration that would otherwise kill most other animals. Also, it stores lumps of fat and muscle in its hump, which provide energy when it has to go without food for days. तो जो हमने कहीं सुना है कि कैमल ने हम्प में वाटर स्टोर करके रखा है, so no, not water, actually food. That too, not exactly food. It stores lumps of fat and muscles. क्या स्टोर करता है वो? फैट एंड मसल्स. एंड जब भी उसकी बॉडी को फूड का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है तो वो जो फैट एंड मसल्स हैं वो वो यूज करते हैं. ओके, फाइन. तो कैमल बिना वाटर के कैसे रहता है अगर वाटर स्टोर नहीं करता है तो इट्स बॉडी इज अडाप्टेड टू दैट. ठीक है, इट कैन फाइट एक्सट्रीम डिहाइड्रेशन. ओके, ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज bats are blind. Studies show that a bat does not use its eyesight to track prey. Rather, it emits short, high pitched sound that are reflected by obstacles in its path. This is called echolocation and is used to track prey, to avoid obstacles, and possibly to regulate the height at which the bat is flying. Because bats use echolocation more than they use their eyes, people often think that they are blind. So bats are actually not blind. वो क्या यूज करते हैं ज्यादा? echolocation. And what they do in echolocation? They emit, मतलब create करते हैं, produce करते हैं short high pitch sound. और वो साउंड ट्रेवल करता है एंड उनके पास वापस आता है. और अगर वो कोई ऑब्स्टिकल से टकराएगा तो वो वापस आ जाएगा, राइट? सो दे विल अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज सम ऑब्स्टिकल देयर. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट दे यूज टू अवॉइड ऑब्स्टिकल्स और where they are flying, and also to track the prey. Okay, now the next one is ostrich bury their heads in the sand. कि शुतुरमुर्ग की तरह सर मत छुपाओ, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना. So ostrich bury their heads in the sand. Ostrich have small heads, and to escape detection, they lie on the ground with their necks outstretched. Their heads are so small that even from a short distance, it looks like their heads are actually buried in the sand. तो बेसिकली उनका हेड इतना छोटा है कि जब वो ऐसे झुकते भी है ना तो ऐसा लगता है कि उन्होंने अपना हेड जो है वो सैंड के अंदर डाल दिया है. ओके, ओके, यस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज बुल्स रिएक्ट वायलेंटली टू द कलर रेड. कई बार का है, अच्छा ऐसे लाल कपड़े पहन के जा रहे हो, बुल विल हिट यू. सो बुल्स आर कलर ब्लाइंड, उनको कलर समझ ही नहीं आता. In most cases, it is fluttering of the cloth by a bullfighter which irritates a bull. ठीक है, तो वो जो बुल फाइटर ऐसे शेक करता रहता है ना, कपड़े को ऐसे उड़ाता रहता है, फ्लटर करता रहता है. That's why the bull get irritated. Color of the cloth is immaterial. उसका कलर कुछ भी हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay. Now the next is touching a frog or a toad will give you warts. अगर आप फ्रॉग और टोड को टच करोगे तो आपको वो हो जाएंगे मस्से, वार्ड्स. Most people wrongly think that because some frogs or toads have bumps on their back, they are infectious. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, उनको कोई इन्फेक्शन वो आपको नहीं देते हैं. Okay. Now the next is find out if these statements are true or false. So now you need to find out if these are true or false. So you can always use internet to find it out. Okay. Bees will not sting at night. ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या? सोचो सोचो. Yes. An elephant never forgets. Now that is an interesting statement. It's told that elephant have got uh, excellent memory. So that is an interesting statement. Opossums opossums hung by their tail and sleep. तो जो पॉसम्स होते हैं वो अपनी टेल से ट्री में अपने आप को हैंग करके सोते हैं. तो फाइंड दैट. कैट्स हेट बेदिंग इन वाटर. कैट्स को बात करना अच्छा नहीं लगता. ठीक है, तो आप फाइंड आउट करो ये ट्रू है या फॉल्स. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज गैजेट्स एंड गिज़मोस. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक? Gadgets and gizmos. We are using a lot of gadgets, right? You have tablet, you have phone, you have laptop, and so many more. So let's talk about some of them. Okay. Now the first gadget, which is shown here, it guides you in reaching your destination. So this is a location detector and it helps you to reach your destination. So tell me what it is. We all have this inbuilt in our phones now. Okay, but this device is used in cars to know the route and reach the destination. So tell me what this is. Now second is, this is an e-book reader by Amazon. Amazon ने एक e-book reader बनाया हुआ है. So what is that called? Now next is, it is a portable music library. ये जो है ये portable music library है, means it has a lot of music in it stored. Okay. Now next is, it is a smartwatch from Apple. ये Apple की smartwatch. So names लिखने हैं आपको. Okay. Now fifth is, it is a portable storage system. पोर्टेबल स्टोरेज सिस्टम मतलब जैसे आपका पेन ड्राइव होता है ना, जिसको आप कहीं भी ले जा सकते हो. सिमिलरली दिस डिवाइस इज आल्सो अ portable storage system. Okay. Now next is, it is a device to track your activity level. How much you are walking, how much exercise you are doing, what is your sleep pattern, that all can be detected by this device. Okay, so find the name of this device. Next is, it is a gaming console by Sony. तो सोनी ने जो गेमिंग कंसोल बनाया है जिसका सब लोग गेम्स प्ले करने के लिए यूज करते हैं ऑन टीवी ऑन लैपटॉप. ओके, so that gaming console. It is a TV system that can access the internet. एक टीवी सिस्टम जो इंटरनेट को एक्सेस कर सकता है. वी हैव दैट इन आवर क्लासेस आल्सो ना इन स्कूल. ओके. Now let's read the tidbits. In 1980, the compact disc CD is co-invented by Philips and Sony. So कब invent हुई थी CD? 1980 में. In 85, first version of Windows is released. Windows का पहला version कब आया था? In 1985. That we have done in our computer also, right? In 1991, the World Wide Web is introduced and the internet is made available to people. Okay, तो 1991 में इंटरनेट आया था लोगों के लिए. ठीक है. 96, in 96 first DVD players went on sale in Japan. सबसे पहले DVD players कब आए थे? 1996 में जापान में. Okay. Now in 2001 Apple releases the iPod, Microsoft releases Xbox. Apple ने क्या रिलीज किया? iPod, 2001 में, और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने क्या बनाया, एक्सबॉक्स. ओके. इन 2005 गूगल लॉन्चेस गूगल मैप्स. 2005 में कौन आया, गूगल मैप्स. इन 2007 एप्पल इंट्रोड्यूसेस आईफोन. 2007 में क्या आया, आईफोन, फर्स्ट आईफोन. इन 2008 एप्पल लॉन्चेस मैकबुक एयर. उसके बाद आया मैकबुक एयर. और 2010 में आया आईपैड. ओके. In 2012, Google introduces Google Glass with a mini computer screen at the top corner of the glasses. Okay. And in 2015, touchable 3D holograms are introduced. 3D holograms क्या होते हैं कि आप you are in one place and your image as it is image 3D image is casted to somewhere else. Okay, that is holograms. And in 2015 they became touchable. Means normally hologram is nothing but just a image of you, but we cannot touch it, right? If you try to touch it, our hand will go through. But in 2015 they made touchable 3D holograms. Okay. Now here we have motion sensing games came into the forefront with the introduction of Nintendo Wii. Okay, players could now play games by banking on their movements. आप move कर सकते हैं, आपके dance moves record होते हैं, आपके playing moves record होते हैं. Means record नहीं होते हैं, they directly get acted upon. Okay, Microsoft took this a step further by introducing Kinect system. This system allowed players to play without any controllers, and they must simply bank upon their movement. Okay, तो पहले कंट्रोलर्स लगाए जाते थे हाथों पे, पैरों पे, और फिर उसके थ्रू वो करते थे. नाउ दे डू नॉट नीड एनी कंट्रोलर्स, दे कैन जस्ट प्ले. ओके, so do these two pages and take care. Bye bye.